Get ready to experience awesome without breaking the bank with the all-new Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. This phone truly brings your content to life on its massive 6.7-inch AMOLED display, making everything from emails to recipes incredibly vivid. Plus, say goodbye to blurry photos. Its triple-lens camera captures every memory in stunning clarity, from epic group shots to detailed close-ups. You can even take on your day with confidence, knowing the A16 5G boasts impressive durability with an IP54 rating, making it more resilient than ever. Want to stay on top of your wellness? Easily track your steps, sleep, and heart rate with the Samsung Health app, seamlessly integrated with the Fit 3. It's an amazing experience, packed with practical extras, all at an unbelievable value. The best budget smartphone of 2025. If you're looking for a fantastic new phone that delivers on all the essentials, this is it. Click the Amazon link below to grab yours today and see why the Galaxy A16 5G is the smart choice for value and performance. Don't miss out on this incredible deal.